My dear viewers, thank you so much. Again, I'm here with new subjects. New tips. I would like to show some tips so that you can pronounce some daily words, daily verbs correctly. Okay, let's come to my point. The most common word to us, very common word, you see here, win, win. This is own. This is own. But win, one, one. But we mispronounce. We pronounce win, one, one. Not one, but we pronounce win, own. Is it own? Not own at all. This is one. This is one. So let's come to our symbols. Would like to know some symbols. This is win. This is win. Win. And this is one. That W, one. This is one. And this is one also. This is one. This is one. This is one. One. These are the symbols. Very interesting matter. Very wonderful. Very surprising that we pronounce the word win, own. Oh, most of us, most of the students, most of viewers, most of us, we pronounce win, one, win, own, win, own, win, own, win, own. Is it own? Is it one? Win, one, not own. The symbol tells us O, wa, one. So it is one, not own. Win, one. And next you see the common words take, take, took, taken. We pronounce take, took, taken. Take, took, taken. But the symbol take. Take, took, and taken. Taken. Take, took, taken. Taken. Take, took, taken. But we pronounce take, took, taken. Take, took, taken. Is it right? So is it a matter not surprising for us or shameless or shameful? So I would like to say that actually this right pronunciation is take, took, taken. Because this symbol are taken from Oxford Dictionary English to English. So this symbol tell us pronounce take, took, taken. Take, took, taken. Win, one. Take, took, taken. Not take, took, taken. Win, own. Not like this. Not in this way. So we travel the best to know the symbol and look up the word from the dictionary, English to English, Oxford. and we must look up the symbols from the Oxford Dictionary English to English. And according to these symbols, we'll tell us to speak correctly and nicely like the English. Okay, thank you. Bye.